You walk into a room and all of a sudden the energy in there changes. People avoid your personal space, looking at you, and it gets quiet. Relatable? Then we've got some work to do. Are you afraid you're referred to as that person? Being annoying can be a social handicap. Keep watching to find out if you're annoying and how to stop it. Our goal from the Success Bistro is to help you become more aware of your annoying behavior so you can be a more tolerable person. Maybe even up your people skills game and become socially savvy. So let's start. Am I annoying? Most quote-unquote annoying people don't even know that they're irritating in the first place. They may be violating social norms, incompatible with others, or just trying too hard in general. Do you know that you can even be the irritating person because you're being too positive? This type of positivity, aka toxic positivity, is a real thing. Sound familiar? Check out the Success Bistro's related video on it, linked up here. Now here are a few more signs that you're annoying. You ask snarky questions. Some people tend to enlist others who ask for favors that they can do themselves as lazy, thus annoying. You're too loud. Studies show that the level of loudness that a person or environment is can be considered annoying because it's mentally and physically distracting. You interrupt. Are you known for butting into conversations, cutting people off at the middle of sentences, or just thinking a thought and having to express it at the very moment? Here's a tip. The more you talk over people, the more annoying you'll come off as. You lack good hygiene. Not smelling or looking like a clean human being is a simple one. Try to avoid foul scents, like strong perfumes or cologne, sweat, and bad breath. You talk negatively. Even if you're speaking in a positive tone, spilling negative words into conversation can feel draining. For example, if someone asks you how your day has been, and you reply with amazing, except for this terrible weather and boring work, everything is going great. They'll surely want to refrain from talking to you later just because you turn things negative. Of course, there's many reasons why one would find you annoying, including factors like bad humor and toxic behavior. So let's take a quiz. Watch the next segment of our video and follow along with your answers to each question to see if your reactions and PQ are up to par. Number 1. You text an acquaintance frequently, but one night they stop responding all of a sudden. You figure it has to do with a potentially sensitive question you asked about them earlier. What do you do next? A. Try to catch them next time in person. B. Keep texting them, bringing up the question, hoping they will text you back. C. Relax and give them a day or two to breathe. D. Start texting someone else. So continuing conversation, even after they stop responding to your messages, will make you bothersome, especially if you're bringing up a bad topic. So if you chose B, take that lack of communication as a sign of annoyance. Number 2. How often do you complain about your problems or other people's problems to others? A. More than I'd like to. B. Once a week. C. Only when I'm asked about them. Or D. When I'm with a counselor. Complaining is one of the quickest ways to get someone to think, oh my, they are so irritating. So if your go-to answer was A, people may avoid you because they view you as a burden. Number 3. You're working, trying to figure out why one of your products isn't selling as much as it should. Your coworker gives you a handful of possible reasons and advice on how to fix the problem, but you think they are wrong. How do you respond? A. Take their advice and apply it. B. Discuss more realistic options. C. Say thank you and test it out. Or D. Bluntly tell them why none of their solutions will work. If you chose D, you may be a bit more aggressive than others may like, and people may not enjoy it if you don't take others' opinions into consideration when you assert yourself. Number 4. Imagine you're at a party or networking event and you meet someone new. What do you talk about? A. Myself. B. Them. C. A totally random topic. Or D. An interesting conversation starter. You're too self-absorbed and more annoying if you chose A, and you may need to up your conversation starters game if people find you annoying and you choose C. Number 5. Your friends make a joke about you and everyone laughs. How do you react? A. I laugh with them. B. I make a joke back at them. C. I may get upset because I don't like getting picked on. D. My friends would never make a joke about me. Friends and family members joke around those they feel comfortable with. So selecting C indicates that you could be that hypersensitive friend that people don't like to joke around. So how did you do? Score yourself based on how many annoying answers you chose, and maybe try asking someone you know about their honest opinion. Go ahead and go, do you think I'm annoying or could be annoying to others? See what they say or don't say, and if it turns out that yes, you are quote-unquote annoying to a few people around you and you want to fix it, keep an eye out for part 2 of this video on how to fix it. Thank you for watching this video. For more videos like this, not to mention part 2 of this one, subscribe to the Success Bistro and don't forget to hit that like button.